Hey, we're making some Dahl today at Suelo Sano. First with some coconut oil, some white onion, chunky because I'm in a hurry. Got some diced carrots. Tomato. Give that a stir. Diced zucchini or courgette if you're European, and fresh from the garden, bilimbi, or here in Nicaragua they're called mimbro. It's a lemony fruit, so this will give it a little tangy flavor. Some vitamin C perhaps. And then the fun part is some cayenne pepper. Chili pepper. Let's see, this is like chai masala. Cumin. And curry. A lot of turmeric. Give that a stir. And then add the lentils that have been soaking for a while. We're going to let this cook for about 20, maybe 30 minutes. And we will have a tasty Dahl. Probably add a little bit more water. We'll be good to go. Healthy, fast, and easy meal.